hello, Biscuiters. I'm Deepa Aftani, your host for the segment Quarantine Me on Biscuit Showtime from Melbourne. So today we have a celebrity guest who's no less than a supermodel, a star, a talented actress. She's got a body to die for. Please welcome the hot and happening Sonali Raut. So I'm just gonna get her to join here.
Hi, Deepa.
Hi, Sonali. Welcome to
How
our
are
show. How are you doing?
I'm doing good. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for joining us. It's great to see you here. Here it's going a bit better in Australia. How is it going? आपका quarantine में हाल कैसा चल रहा है मुंबई में?
Oh, here, it's like, as you know, it's a complete lockdown. So
Absolutely.
so I live with mom and dad. So in the morning, I make breakfast, I cook. I've started cooking.
Amazing.
Quarantine, cooking seek gayi hu. And then, some like I work out. I'm doing some floor exercises, spending time with my family, with my parents, and I have family in the US also. So like US, India. So yeah, it's going good.
Yeah, that's great to know. It's a good family bonding time. But you know how you said you started cooking and you're spending more time doing exercises all in house. Quarantine और Big Boss कोई similarity दिखती है?
Oh my gosh, yes, very. I feel like मैं बिग बॉस के घर में ही हूँ. But yeah, ट्रेनिंग वहाँ पे ट्रेनिंग हो गई
हाँ.
क्योंकि बिग बॉस तो बूट कैंप था. So वहाँ पे ट्रेनिंग ऑलरेडी मिल चुकी है. So yeah, that's what I said. No, I'm taking it very positive. This lockdown and quarantine. What do you say? Time is going on. It's good. It's fun.
That's absolutely great to hear. There's a lot of positive energy that you're bursting with. Like, after Big Boss, obviously there were different plans that happened. Do you have any
Correct.
plans post the lockdown comes to a finish? Do you have anything on your mind that you're planning to do?
Okay, so I have some like a few upcoming projects lined up. So it's supposed to get released, but ये lockdown के वजह से बहुत सारी चीजें अभी hold पे चली गई है. So
Uh-huh.
I have a movie release. So we were like looking forward for that, but अभी तो multiplexes, what is the scene here? Like the multiplexes
Absolutely.
and 2020 we don't see like any movie shoots happening. So I think we'll be planning this movie which we were supposed to release. We were supposed to release this month, and I have few music videos also lined up. So we are looking for that promotion also. So yeah, so these are the upcoming things. And if you ask me personally,
Yes.
what I'm doing, obviously I'll be going for a long drive. That is
Wow.
the first. That is the first thing I'm going to do. क्योंकि घर में बैठ के बहुत like it's very boring now. मुझे अभी बाहर जाना है. मुझे वो मरीन ड्राइव का लॉन्ग ड्राइव, वो जो गाना है लॉन्ग ड्राइव
Yes.
पे चल, तो मैं लॉन्ग ड्राइव पे जाऊंगी. एंड आई एम गोइंग टू ईट एवरीथिंग. I'm
Wow.
going to eat pizza. I'm going to have pani puri, whatever is available after the lockdown. I'm going to eat everything because I've missed a lot of junk food, like street food, restaurants, cafes, hotels. I've missed everything.
Absolutely. From Amras to Bhelpuri, it's going to be all yours. Hopefully, the lockdown comes to an end very soon. One of our viewers on Biscuit Showtime had a question talking about
Yeah.
food. Any health routine that you follow, especially how things are going right now?
Okay, so लाइक हेल्थ रूटीन तो ऑब्वियसली क्योंकि हम लोग क्वारंटाइन में है तो ज्यादा खाना वैसे भी नहीं मिल रहा है.
Yes.
Because you cannot like go out and buy things. So वैसे भी I think लोग तो डाइट पे है ही. लेकिन उसमें चीजें बना रहे हैं. So yeah, I think हम तो वैसे भी कम चीजें ही खा रहे हैं. और हेल्थ वाइज आई थिंक मैंने ये अच्छा पास्ता, इट्स अ वेरी डाइट वाला पास्ता, मैंने वो बनाना सीखा. सो इट्स अ व्हाट यू से इंडियन स्टाइल पास्ता. सो इफ पास्ता इज अवेलेबल, उसे बॉईल कीजिए, ऐड वेजिटेबल्स, फिर पास्ता ऐड कीजिए एंड मसाले अपने इंडियन जो भी मसाले होंगे वो डाल दीजिए. और ऐड सम मैजिक, व्हाट यू से दैट मैजिक मैगी मसाला समथिंग.
Yes.
या
Yes.
मैगी मसाला ऑफ मैगी जिसका आता है, तो वो बड़ा ही हेल्दी और टेस्टी पास्ता बन रहा है. सो दैट इज लाइक वेरी क्विक, इट्स हेल्दी और उसके साथ आई थिंक यू कैन एक्सरसाइज, प्लीज एक्सरसाइज, डोंट स्टॉप एक्सरसाइजिंग, और फ्रूट्स खाइए, लाइक ब्रेकफास्ट में ऐड सम फ्रूट्स, ऐड सम नट्स. सो
Wow.
या, like I think these are the tips which I would like to give.
I think they're really surely healthy tips while being at home. You know, fridge bulata hai, pantry bulati hai, but you know, having pasta, but having fruits and exercising is also the key. You've said that
Yes.
very well. You know, have you started? You know, you just said you've started cooking. Anything particularly that you're fond of, or you think, you know, how was it for you?
मैंने अभी खीर बनाना सीखी है रिसेंटली, लाइक मेरी मॉम ने मुझे खीर कैसे बनाते हैं वो सिखाई. सो या, और मैंने मतलब ठीक ठाक बनाई है. इट वाज नॉट लाइक very good, not like as how my mom makes it. So थोड़ी थोड़ी अच्छी बनाई, not 100% there but 80%. So yeah, वो एक चीज मैंने सीखी है. तो खीर बनाना, लाइक क्योंकि बहुत क्योंकि दूध, चावल और शक्कर तो रहती ही है, तो वो
Yes.
आसान है चीज बनाना. सो या,
So,
आप एक खीर बनाना मैंने सीखी है इस क्वारंटाइन.
so did you surprise your mom with kheer on Mother's Day? Your first one, all with your family together. How was it?
Actually, on Mother's Day, I made palak chicken for her.
Oh, nice.
Yes. So yeah, lunch में I made palak chicken, and yeah, it was very yummy, very tasty, और थोड़ा healthy बनाया था. So she was very surprised कि oh my gosh, इसने palak chicken बनाया है. So yeah, that I learned, और वो मैंने YouTube से सीख के थोड़ा सा अपना थोड़ा सा तड़का लगा के थोड़ा Indian style में बनाया. So and very yummy. So yeah, my mom was very much impressed. So ये special चीज for my mom.
Absolutely, like you know, it already sounds yummy. आपने actually एक web series की थी, Love, Life and Screw Ups, where you worked even with veterans like Zeenat Aman ji, and you know, a few of Big Boss in-house like inmates were also there in that series. And web series is now a culture. How, you know, share your memories with us if you could from that time, and how do you see? Are you planning any more web series at all?
Yes, actually, before the lockdown, I was like with P5. I was planning one web series, but अभी वो भी hold पे चला गया है. So yeah, I'm looking at the web, like when I shot this Love Life and Screw Up, I don't think so ये web series का तभी किसी को
Yes.
ज़्यादा पता नहीं था, because I shot in 2015, and I think ours was the first web series which was made, and वो काफी अच्छी चली भी. So उसमें काफी actors थे, और मतलब it was quite a fun time because there were like many actors, and there was legendary Zeenat Aman, and there were more actors, like many versatile actors. So yeah, तो तब मुझे पता चला कि web series अभी ऐसी चीज भी बन रही है, और I'll be looking forward for more web series. But let's say everything after the lockdown. But if you talk about web series, like
Yes.
yeah, abhi web series, like because everyone is on OTT, everyone is
Yes.
watching Netflix, Amazon, Z5, Boot, whatever it's available, Hotstar. So I think web series are really like picking up, and I think it's for youth, it's for like youngsters, like वो फोन पे देखते रहते हैं. So yeah, it's very like इंटरेस्टिंग कॉन्सेप्ट भी आ रहे हैं, नए लोगों को चांस मिल रहा है. देयर आर न्यू डायरेक्टर्स, न्यू प्रोड्यूसर्स. सो अगर आपको शोकेस टैलेंट, मतलब शोकेस करने के लिए आपको अपना टैलेंट मिल रहा है, सो आई थिंक ओटीटी इज द ग्रेट प्लेटफॉर्म.
Absolutely, you know, we will look forward to your updates. There'll be a lot more happening after the lockdown is over, and hopefully, you know, it is over for good reasons. So, you know, a lot of sorry about that. We also had one of our viewers asking, are you in touch with any of you know, Big Boss contestants or any of your friends, like the P3G group?
Yeah, yes, we keep meeting at parties. So
That's great.
yeah, we keep bumping. हम लोग, because it's a same fraternity, so whether it's TV, movies or web series, हम लोग तो मिलते ही रहते हैं. और पार्टी में तो हम मिलते ही मिलते. So that could be a Diwali party or any film function, और वो तो मिलना जुलना तो होता ही है. So I'm in touch with Praneet, जो उस टाइम पे चकुनी मामा थे. I'm in touch with him. I'm in like on and off on messages, like on message पे I talk to Puneet sir. वो अभी उनका महाभारत बहुत हिट है यहाँ पे.
Yes.
Mahabharat is on air, and I think he's amazing because I'm watching Mahabharat. So the role he played of Duryodhan, amazing. So yeah, मतलब कभी हम देख नहीं पाए, अभी ये सारी चीजें वापस आ रही है, like रामायण एंड महाभारत. तो एटलीस्ट हमें पता चल रहा है कि मतलब हमें वी आर सो लकी कि हमें चांस मिला अभी देखने के लिए दोबारा. एंड इट्स अ ग्रेट चेंज टू पीपल आल्सो. That's why the shows are doing so well. And apart from them, apart from Puneet sir and Praneeth, I'm in touch with Preetham because if I have any movie promotion or song promotion. वो है.
Yes, true. Yeah, so it's always good and fond memories from Big Boss season 8. So I think a lot of guys have, like Singh has been, asking, how did you watch Big Boss season 13, things like that. But any particular memories do you want to share with us of your Big Boss journey per se?
Okay, so मेरी Big Boss की journey was like superb. I to have so many memories, not just one. एक तो ये थी कि बिग बॉस में आप बाहर से कुछ भी खाना नहीं लेके जा सकते अंदर. सो आई मैनेज टू गेट सम बादाम. तो मैंने बादाम कैसे वैसे करके मैनेज किए थे अपने सूटकेस में फिट करने, और आई वाज सक्सेसफुल. मुझे अंदर अपनी मुझे बादाम मिलने को, मतलब व्हाट डू यू से, मतलब मैंने, इट्स नॉट लाइक मैं एक्चुअली बादाम लेके गई थी अंदर. बादाम या, और आई थिंक और इतनी स्ट्रिक्ट, मतलब द चेकिंग सो स्ट्रिक्ट, बट आई डोंट नो, somehow I managed to take badam and khajur. So that's the one memory. Then of course I have memories with Salman Khan because he was so nice to me on the show, and I had like that, like we had that bond. So that was like quite fun, and I think the audience also enjoyed watching that. And I think there's so many, like Big Boss is a show where you stay for like so long, and with so many people, with so many strangers, and जब आप बाहर निकलते हैं आपकी सिर्फ memories, और your strangers become your friends.
Absolutely. Too much drama, too much fun, and you used to do a lot of pranks too with your, close friends, especially on Gautam Gulati. You had you done a few pranks.
Oh yeah, I tried to scare him.
Yes, it was epic. Now, is it true that you actually joined Big Boss because it was Salman Khan?
Yes, I was actually I had met Salman during my first day of expose shoot. Like my first movie, I did the expose. So I met him during expose. And when Big Boss happened to me, that happened like after the film was released. So वो एक month में Big Boss happened to me, and I was like, I had signed a couple of other projects also. But I don't know, it was something like actually मुझे Big Boss भी करना था. I wanted to see show कैसा रहता है. Like of course it's a #1 reality show, and it's great to be part of it. And Big Boss, like amazing platform जिसे मिलता है, it's मतलब एक बार तो सबने Big Boss करना ही चाहिए. वैसे तो हम फिलहाल अभी Big Boss कर रहे हैं. So yeah, I'm a big fan of Salman Khan, and I did that show because of Salman Khan, because yeah, we all love him.
Yes, indeed. He's the bhai of Bollywood. We even saw your movie, The Expose, recently on 8th May. It was aired. So it was great to relive those memories. So congratulations on that movie, though. I'm sure there are other projects lined up. But what I've come to know from my sources is you were actually spotted by Atul Kasbekar in a party. And you were then offered the Kingfisher calendar, shoot. And from there was no looking back. How did you feel when actually that offer came to you?
Yeah, so I went to this party of Gautam Singhania, और उनकी ये बड़ी Christmas party, like तभी back then it was very famous. So so party में Atul spotted me, and next day I got a call from his agency. So when I met Atul, he offered me the Kingfisher calendar, and it was a great
Amazing.
opportunity. It was a great opportunity because my first job was a bikini calendar shoot, and being part of Kingfisher, it was like amazing. So yeah, it's always amazing to be the Kingfisher girl.
Absolutely, and you've carried forward that the strength and the body that you've maintained. You're like you do MMA, you do nunchucks, you do dancing,
Yeah,
whatnot, and gymming. I mean, there's no kind of fitness way that you've not tried and seen. What has been your
yeah.
favorite one till date?
So, so actually, I really get bored doing one thing. So gym is something like we keep doing it, and I've been working out from last 10 years.
Yes.
So gym
So,
कभी कभी बोर हो जाता है. So I keep doing new things. Like I do yoga also. I do power yoga. Then I do breathe in, breathe out. Like I meditate also. Then apart from that, I do nunchucks. I
mm-hmm.
do mixed martial arts. I do kicks. I do punches. I do boxing. What else? Yeah, I strength training. Like yeah, everything. I love walking also. So I take like brisk walking. तो मेरी चलती रहती है. Even in the night, I walk in my bed. So that is
Oh,
something like workout. It's my lifestyle.
amazing. I think you've practiced on terraces, open gardens, and how you said, walking in your building area. I mean, it doesn't matter, it's just the fitness routine that you've got. That's amazing. Even talking about the skin and hair routine, Saida had a question. She was awestruck by the flawless skin that you've got. Do you follow anything in particular, Sonali?
No, actually, I don't do much. I just like I should thank my parents. उनके
Mm-hmm.
वजह से I have this skin. Or I just take care. I don't torture it much. Like after the shoot, मैं सोने से पहले of course makeup अच्छे से निकाल देती हूँ. Then I always wash my face. I use a good face wash. Then I moisturize my skin. Or I eat healthy. I eat
Uh-huh.
fish. I eat fish a lot. So fish is like it gives you omega 3. So fish मेरे diet में compulsory है. Or what else I do? I just use a lot of home remedies. I don't use many products, but home remedies I do. Like I apply like I take what do you say, the mask, like mask. So I do
Yes.
face mask में like basin, curd, yogurt, all natural. Tomato, I put that,
Wow.
but I keep it very natural.
That sounds very unconventional in days like these, but I think that's where it comes to basics and it just shows on your skin. So that's
Yeah.
the key there, absolutely. You just
But you have
mentioned me.
any choice, like अभी कुछ ज़्यादा like in the lockdown, what do you do? Like
Exactly.
yesterday I had put cucumber on my eyes.
Yeah, so that's smart, right? Still taking care of yourself. That's great.
Yes.
Talking, you just mentioned about your parents. You've got beautiful skin, thanks to the parents and the genes you've got. But at the same time, you've always mentioned in your interviews or per se whenever you talk that you've got a lot of support from your parents and they've let
Yes.
you do whatever you want to do. How does that feel? When you actually starting off to be a model, did you always wanted to be a model, or it was just that it happened and your parents supported you enough?
No, actually it's because of my sister. My sister is a supermodel. She's an
Good for her. Yes.
international face, like
Yes.
she's an Indian face recognized internationally. So and she's the first supermodel we have.
Yes.
So I should thank her because she did so well in her career. So natural था कि अगर उज्ज्वला है तो सोनाली भी करेगी, and obviously like she used to हमें वो वैसा माहौल भी मिला, like meeting her friends, going to parties. So it was like means my parents knew कि सोनाली भी होगी तो वो glamour नहीं देगी. Or but actually when I was young, like when I was a child, I used to think कि मुझे air hostess बनना है, cabin crew.
Okay.
Yeah, I thought like मुझे cabin crew बनना चाहिए. But my we are 5 girls in the family, तो मेरी एक बहन already cabin crew So for
Now
me,
earlier it was, yeah.
fashion is, I won't say being comfortable, but it's just that to look good, to look smart, and you should be confident. Like, because I wear very like fitted clothes,
Yes. My next
and
question was going, you know.
I'm not comfortable wearing those. But it's just that it looks so nice, and I'm just used to it. Like people are so used to seeing me in fitted clothes, but I'm comfortable.
Yeah, that's great. That's a good definition. Earlier you would have said a loose tee and, being cool
Yeah,
and comfortable was
sure.
okay, but now it's the little black dress, isn't it?
Little black dress, a cocktail dress, where it accentuates your figure, like, where people can see, because these days everything is about social media and about like how thin you are and how fit you are. So it's about, and how great you look.
Absolutely, and I think you demonstrate that really well because you even take care of your routine in different ways, and also obviously it's pretty much obvious in the glamorous photos you've got, so it goes hand in hand. Definitely, it's hard work there. Talking about you being a Marathi movie, आपल्या सगळ्यांना तुमच्या performance खूप आवडलं in the movie Hero. Tell us about that. The item song Mirchi Kolhapurchi.
Arey yaar, I was not expecting this question. Uh, I was part of this Marathi project. So I did an item song in the movie.
Uh-huh.
पहले तो मुझे should I say it in Marathi? तो
Go for it. Absolutely.
पहिला रोल ऑफर केलेला पण तेव्हा माझे डेट्स वर्कआउट नाही झाले. So the producer said, why don't you do an item song? So I was like up for it because it was a 3 days shoot. So yeah, so it was very different being part of Marathi film industry, and I happened to do this item song, and the name is Kolhapurchi Mirchi, and it's a
Yes.
very sweet, not sweet, it's a very catchy song. I'm just
Yes.
getting confused now. It's a very catchy song, and I had super fun, and I had like best costumes, like Nabari sari, but very
Indeed.
hot.
Yes.
Yeah, and the colors, and I had like 4 looks, but very hot. Hot Nawari sari.
Yes, and I think it is an eye candy song. I would say you've just topped it up, and it was great to
Thank
see
you.
you in the Marathi song there too. Apart from just obviously doing glamorous events, photo shoots, you even hosted Indian Army in Gulbarga last year sometime. Share your
Yes.
experience, like obviously that's yourself being part of it, displaying your patriotism there, and obviously it is so away from your usual image. How did that happen, or how did you feel about that entire experience?
See, when this event happened to me, I was very unsure hosting an army event
Yes.
because like great like it's a pressure. First of all,
It,
it's the Indian Army, and the respect, and we are like all these fun people and glamour. But there, it's like you have to be very disciplined, and you have to watch your words. आप कुछ गलत ना बोल दो. And you know what it was? I had to take some names, so proper, and even the rankings. Like they're very particular about their hierarchies and ranks. So I had to like by heart that.
yes.
तो वो एक experience था in Gulbarga. और I think, but the Indian Army, like the army people are so sweet, and they were like very encouraging, and they were very nice actually. Like they loved Bollywood, and I had too much fun doing that event. So it was super fun. It was different, but yeah, I'm
Mm-hmm.
looking forward for more events like
Absolutely. Sonali will just ask you a few things, which is basically describe in one word George Clooney.
George Clooney, handsome,
Great. Salman Khan.
very handsome,
Oh wow. Kingfisher calendar.
sexy, hot.
Amazing. Okay. Big Boss.
Um, uh, what do you say? The best reality show.
Amazing. The Expose.
My debut.
Sonali Raut.
Sonali Raut, the hottest girl.
I think the Instagram live will go echoing, saying the same for you. That's there. Just in between the two, if you had to select, the most effective workout, that you prefer, core or legs?
I think core.
Okay,
I
great.
enjoy doing core.
Movie set or gym?
Sorry?
Movie set or gym? What do you prefer?
Movies, of course. Gym is like,
It's just a happy place. That's okay.
yeah, it's stress
True.
work. Gym is like my stress work. And movies is like fun, entertainment, chilling with your friends, watching a movie together. It's all that. It's fun.
Amazing. Any one thing that you gave up to keep your body fit?
Nothing.
Nothing? Wow.
Nothing.
We just heard you making pasta, so there it goes. Definitely you haven't given up
I eat
anything.
everything.
That's
And I eat pizza also. My favorite is pizza.
okay. Wow. Pizza and pasta. I think we should get some inspiration there that we should be starting to look like you while taking care of ourselves, while eating what we like. So that's it. Any part of your body that you're not happy with?
Mm, no, I'm very happy with myself.
Oh, that's good. Any must travel accessory that you've got? Like it has to be with you.
I think the moisturizer.
Okay. And any one thing we definitely find in your handbag.
Lip balm. A phone.
Okay.
Phone, lip balm, wallet.
Okay. Your favorite food?
Favorite food is Italian.
Okay. Any favorite part of gymming? Like, is there anything particular that you love? Or a favorite way of working out?
I think cardio. I enjoy cardio a lot. So
Okay.
running on the treadmill or just like being on the bike and watching TV and just pedal ghumare.
And
That's fun.
what does the ideal date for you sound like or should be like?
Ideal date if it's in Bombay.
Yes.
I wish it was in Australia, but if it's Bombay,
One fine.
I think then dinner.
Okay.
I think dinner at some 5-star with a nice cozy restaurant and like good food, champagne, like fun conversation. And
Nice. And so, how does your ideal date be like? Like, whom you
you
would
know
like
what
to make? Yes.
sorry, what's the question? Like what
So,
exactly is it?
you describe the ambience that you would like for your date, but how should your ideal date be like? Like the person you would be dating, like are there any particular qualities that should be there?
I think I'm looking at someone who's self-made.
Okay.
And I just want him to be confident and someone who could like handle me.
I think 3 traits there, straight up. So you
I'm
gave
not
it all.
intimidated by me, by my presence. So yeah.
Yeah.
So only
Amazing.
I think a self-made person can handle it.
So if you were not an actor or a model per se, what you would be? Did you have anything in your cabin crew? Yes. Oh, that's there. Absolutely. So
Cabin crew.
it is there somewhere in your mind. Any role that you would like to do particularly, Sonali?
I really like Priyanka Chopra. So the role she played in fashion movie.
Yes.
So yeah. तो वो रोल मुझे बहुत पसंद है. Then I love Aishwarya Rai. So the role she played in Devdas. Paro. तो मुझे पारो बनना है. Yeah, these two. And even Kangna, I think even Kangna was very good in
Fashion. Yeah, they're two, absolutely, they are gorgeous in their own ways. The actresses that you've mentioned. So hopefully something new could come up your way, and we wish you the best for your projects. I've asked you whether whether you like a loose tee or a little back dress, but do you is there any particular dress or a type of dress that you flatter yourself with?
I think I love wearing gowns with a high slit and nice stilettos. That really works.
Amazing. That does sound fantastic. Your favorite color? Somebody had a question.
I love red. First it was black, now it's red.
Okay, great. आपको तैयार होने में कितना वक्त लगता है, Sonali?
5 minutes.
Wow. Oh, that's there.
5 minutes.
Glowing skin, health routine, and you take care of your hair. I mean, I think that's another good takeaway from here. If you take good care of yourself, absolutely. Anything that we're looking forward to as such post lockdown? I know you said there will be something coming up, but anything you could give us a teaser of?
So I have this movie with Bipasha and Karan Singh Grover. It's a thriller.
Yes.
It's directed by Bhushan Patel. It's
Mhm.
written by Vipin Bhatt and produced by apne singer Mika Singh.
Yes.
So that's the upcoming project. So जब वो रिलीज पे आएगी तो डेफिनेटली आप लोगों को सबको पता चल जाएगा. And I have few music videos also. So I did
Okay.
one with singer Shan and the other one is with Mika. So these are the things planned.
Great. I think and that's called Adat series, if we are not wrong. And
Yeah, the tentative title is Adat. But I think they're going to change the title. I think it's going to be Danger.
yes.
Danger, I think. I don't know.
I think we're equally excited for it to get released. So best wishes there. We've got one question here by Abhishek Singh saying, how was your experience working with Yo-Yo Honey Singh?
Oh, with Yo-Yo, obviously when I got to know that Yo-Yo is going to be part of this film, it was my debut, it was his debut. And Yo-Yo was very big that time, like
Yes.
उनके back to back गाने मतलब चाहे वो चार बोतल नहीं चार
bottle vodka, yes.
चार बोतल, yeah. Then like many songs were hit. उनके सब alcohol और उसपे ही गाने चल रहे थे तो
yes.
So I think Yo-Yo was very good. He was very friendly. He was super excited और उन्हें जब मेरा पिक्चर गया था उन्हें किंगफिशर कैलेंडर का पिक्चर भेजा गया था by हिमेश by the producer. So he was really looking forward to meet and to work. But it was very comfortable. But first meeting, if you ask, if the question is that, so first meeting he was very friendly, very warm, very nice. And he's that Punjabi boy, like with that entourage.
Yes.
So yeah, that swag was there. That swag. But मतलब कुछ दिनों के बाद I got to know he's very sweet and simple and down to earth. So yeah, that's what Honey Singh is.
Great. I think we've got me Sachin asking, saying if you could say namaskar or just a welcome to everybody in Marathi. I think there were a lot of sweet messages coming through when you started talking in Marathi. So just like a hello or anything that you would like to say to the viewers there.
Yeah, so I have to place the phone now.
Yes, of course.
In one place. Okay, नमस्कार सर्वांना. मी सोनाली राऊत आणि आज मी दीपा बरोबर आहे. त्यांच्या चॅनलवर इट्स BYSQ. What does that mean?
So it's bisque, it's showtime. So bisque is a word. It has different meaning. It's a French word, but it's got different meanings, and it stands for something that's premium. So we are premium in entertainment, and that's how we say it. So it's bisque, it's showtime. If you'd like to give us a shout out.
Okay, it's biscuit.
No, it's bisque, it's showtime.
Biscuit.
Yes.
It sounds like biscuit.
Yes. We do hear that often, so yeah.
Okay, so it's Bisky Entertainment. I'm super excited. आणि मला इथे येऊन दीपाशी खूप छान वाटलं आणि मला म्हणजे मला हा इंटरव्ह्यू खूप खूप चांगला आणि एन्जॉयबल आणि खूप एंटरटेनिंग आहे आणि सर्वांना माझ्यातर्फे खूप प्रेम आणि सर्वजण आपल्या आपल्या घरी राहावा, जास्त बाहेर फिरू नका, हेल्दी खावा, एक्सरसाइज करा, आपल्या लहान मोठ्यांना प्रेम द्या, त्यांचा हालचाल बघा आणि अँड व्हॉट लॉट ऑफ लव्ह. इंडिया, ऑस्ट्रेलिया सर्वांनाही माझं खूप प्रेम.
Absolutely. How sweet of you. I think, the viewers will definitely get happy. There were a couple of requests as I was reading and, the interview is happening to have that, come in Marathi. I have one more. I have a viewer from, US, Nigeria and Britain there. One of them has asked saying, your favorite co-star, Sonali?
My favorite co-star, I would say Irfan Khan in my
Yes,
first,
that's
in my
true. Yes.
debut. So, as you know, in the expose Irfan Khan sir थे, and it's very sorry to hear he's not like among, मतलब वो अभी नहीं रहे. So yeah, बहुत सीखने को मिला इरफान खान सर से. और yeah, I had a good time working with him because he's very sweet. He was someone who talks like, he used to talk very less and just a smile, and very down to earth, very sweet, very simple. And I learned a lot from him. So Irfan Khan.
Absolutely, I think you said that very well. His works, talks a lot about him. Even though he used to be just amongst himself, but his work was obviously exceptional. We have also had one of the viewers here asking, "Will you ever do Jhalak or Khatron ke Khiladi?" Is that something in you?
Um, I think definitely Jhalak. In fact, I was this year I was asked for Nach Bali also, but I didn't have Bali days. It did not happen. So
Okay.
Jhalak is happening this year. Then I'll consider Jhalak, but it's a very difficult show because it's with the choreographer. Nach Bali
Yes.
is with your Bali, so you can manage.
Mhm.
So Jhalak, yes, I'll try. But Jhalak did not happen last.
Okay, yeah, true. So definitely, whenever it comes in future, we'll look forward to that. We
And
also
one more
had
thing, Khatron Ke Khiladi is not my cup of tea. I'm a princess.
so true. Well, that's a sassy way of saying it. Amazing. So if not Khatron Ke Khiladi, definitely we'll look forward to your charming performance in a dance show whenever it's bound to come. We had Parth Seth asking, describe confidence while being in Big Boss and after Big Boss.
Um, I think Big Boss is a training ground. मैंने पहले बोला कि it was a boot camp for me. So you learn so much. वहाँ पे आपकी इतनी self discovery होती है, like mentally you just get like it's a very difficult show, and mentally if you're not strong you're gone. So it just made me very strong mentally, physically, emotionally.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, that really helped. And like after a long time I was away from my family. So yeah, so I learned सब कुछ के खाना कैसे बनाना है या कैसे सरवाइव करना है, कंपटीशन, प्रेशर. सो या वो काफी चीजें सीखने को मिलती है. एंड आफ्टर बिग बॉस इट्स यस, यू बिकम अ सेलिब्रिटी.
True. I think you were so cool and chilled out, but yourself there. We still remember your dialogue saying, मुझे बहुत कंटाल आ रहा है. And and saying that you were just by yourself. You used to play pranks. You used to just, be confident how things were. And I think you were just wearing your own skin there. So, yeah.
Actually, I used to get very bored inside the house. So I used to like do my own things. And it worked, like it was entertaining. Like people liked it. So I was happy कि audience ने मुझे पसंद. So thanks to Big Boss.
Absolutely, we still remember you and the episodes there from that till date. We have Shavar Ali joining and saying a hi there, so thank you for joining, Shavar Ali.
Hello, Travel. Love from
Thank
Mumbai.
Yes,
He's
and
in
love from Australia,
Dubai.
Melbourne too. Absolutely. Sonali, is there any message you want to share with Biscuit Showtime viewers? How things are going and the lockdown is still in place. Any message do you want to, just say about? You've already spoken about being positive, but anything else, just being,
Okay, so I would say कि it's a global pandemic. So please घर पे रहिए और don't venture out. ज़्यादा बाहर मत निकलिए. जब कुछ urgency होगी तभी बाहर निकलिए. Or I think this time shall pass. It's a phase. So not phase. It's not a phase. It's something very serious. So this shall pass soon. So this is the message. And actually, there are like, because there are so many things. And there is one more thing, social distancing. Please
Yes.
maintain social distancing. That is very important.
I think you've said that well. It's a very good message for the world because it's a global pandemic. It's just not in India, of course, but to take care of each other while maintaining the social distancing. So yeah, thank you so much, Sonali. It was great, great, great having you on Biscuit Showtime. Just before we let you go, we would love to welcome you in Australia. Hopefully, the travel ban gets lifted soon, one fine day, or you have a lovely time in Mumbai. How it's going? Just before we let you go, if you could give a shout out, I know you've given in Marathi, but just in general, a shout out to Biscuit Showtime for the viewers to follow and like. Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I have to give a shout out. So guys, I had super fun on Biscuit Showtime. Please like, follow, and share. And lots of love to Deepa. She's very sweet. So yeah, lots of love from India, from Mumbai.
Thank you so much, Sonali. You're very kind for your time. We wish you the best of family time. We can see you're having a wonderful time there. But wish you a lot of positivity post the lockdown too. And thank you once again. We'll be in touch. Thank you so much, Biskiners, for joining us in Quarantine May. I'm Deepa Avtani signing off from Melbourne. And lots of love to you too, Sonali.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for joining us, Biscuits, tonight in the segment Quarantine Me with Sonali Rath. I'm Deepa Avtani. We will be back again with another Insta Live segment. Until then, follow us for more live updates. And if there's anything you want to see, do DM us so we'll try and get it there. Until then, stay home, stay safe. Good night. Bye.